Hi guys, welcome to Heather's Treasures. Today we're going to find out if we can polish a matte surface on a resin piece. This was a request by Tish from Naptime Creations. I got 3 pieces here. I thought I would just do one with just the buffer, and so we can compare it to doing this tool here. This is a buffer, but it's more of a coarse buffer. And it's got some rouge on it, but it's all dried out. So it's okay. Once it heats up, it'll probably reactivate. But I'm not worried about that part. So I want to try it with that and then the buffer. Then I want to try it once with just the Flitz powder and this. So we got 3 different tests going on. So I'm going to do the first one with just the buffer. Okay, that's the first one with just the plain buffer. Now we're going to take this out, put in the coarse buffer, and we'll take the tape off all at the end. Taking the tape off, I have to be more careful. All right, I just want to let you know I have a Dremel Multi Pro. It's 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, and I'm running it around a 6. So that's about 17,000 RPM. All right, now let's do the dry buffer, the dry polishing buffer. Okay, I just did that one for about 3 minutes with just plain. And now we're going to add some Flitz polish. That's probably too much, but we're going to just dab it on. Hopefully it doesn't spray all over my glasses. Get the excess off my fingers here. Rub it into the piece. I'm going to start out slow so that it doesn't spray. Get it rubbed into the pad. Here's the first one where we used a dry polishing buffer. Just this one as dry. So let's take the tape off and see if there's any difference whatsoever. Oh yeah. There's a difference. Now, does it look polished? No, not in the least. But it can be done. I just think it would take longer. See the difference there? All right, so now let's do this one where we did the coarse buffer and a dry polisher. And we'll take the tape off and look at that. Ooh, a bigger difference. Look at that. It's more like a satin finish than a high gloss. And now this one is the one that I did with polishing wheel and the Flitz. Now, I don't know if you can see that much difference in the camera, but on my end, this is more shiny than this one. I'm trying to get them together here. There we go. So, I'm going to say that yes, we can polish a matte finish. Oh my, that's a big difference. This feels like a piece of cotton and this feels like a piece of silk. Now, I was playing around on this one, and the top piece, the silver part, is not shiny as like a high gloss anymore. But if I were to take my craft shirt and wipe this down, this is the high gloss from Resin, and this is the gloss from polishing. So there is a difference. But I think that if we could, if you wanted to spend the time and go over your entire piece, just using this Flitz powder, and maybe, well, these come as a set. There's a, like, I don't know, 20 of each, but don't quote me. The link is in the Amazon affiliates links in my description box. And I got my Amazon affiliates back. Yay. So yeah, please use the affiliate links. It doesn't cost anything extra for you. I still think that if I used this enough and spent the time, I could get this, where did it, I could get this one to the same polish as that. Because we're nearly there. Do you see? Okay. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. I had a lot of fun. I love testing things. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share. I really appreciate it. We're getting closer and closer to the 2,500 mark. Share the heck out of these videos, guys. We're going to do a giveaway. Look at, you guys want your own Star Trek com? This is my com badge. I have these little clippy thingies that you, that pokes through your lapel of your jacket. I could turn these into keychains too if you want. Anyway. Thanks again, guys. I think the winner is this, and this all together. Okay, till next time. Love you. Bye-bye.